everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter area of quadrilateral. In the previous video we have learned up to rhombus, how to find area of rhombus, that we learned in the previous video. Now our next subheading is Isosceles Trapezium. Okay, trapezium and isosceles trapezium. It's a features we already learned in the chapter quadrilateral. Okay, construction of quadrilateral. In that chapter we learn what is the specialities of isosceles trapezium and trapezium. Anyway, I am explaining once more. Isosceles trapezium means two sides will be equal. That means non-parallel sides will be equal. That means these two sides are equal. That type of trapezium is known as isosceles trapezium. And simply a trapezium means it can be like this. Okay, any shape it can be. If this is long and this is like this also, it is a trapezium. That means upper and lower parts will that sides will be parallel. Okay, not equal, it will be parallel. Two parallel sides will be there, upper and lower, and two non-parallel sides will also be there. If non-parallel sides are equal, that is known as isosceles trapezium. Others are just trapezium. And here in this section we have to learn what is equation to find area of trapezium. So equation to find area of trapezium and area of isosceles trapezium both is half h into a plus b. This is the equation to find area of trapezium. Here h means distance or height of the trapezium. H means height of the trapezium. A and B are parallel sides. Okay, this parallel side and this parallel side. So two parallel sides are there. So upper base and lower part, that is A and B, and h means distance between these two parallel sides, that means height of the trapezium. So this is the equation half h into a plus b to find area of trapezium, isosceles and both. Okay, same equation we can apply. Now let's move on to problems from the textbook. So activity from this section, page number 156. Check your textbook once more, maybe page number will be different. Okay, anyway, first activity from this section, isosceles trapezium. Here is your first question. Question is, draw a rectangle of sides 7 cm and 4 cm. Draw isosceles trapeziums of the same area with the following specifications. First sub question, length of parallel sides 9 cm, 5 cm. Second sub question, length of non-parallel sides 5 cm. Here in this question, first we have to draw a rectangle with the length as 7 cm and breadth as 4 cm. So first let's draw rectangle. So this is a rectangle with length 7 cm, breadth 4 cm. Now in the first sub question, we have to draw a trapezium, an isosceles trapezium we have to draw with the parallel sides. Okay, with the parallel sides as 9 cm and 5 cm. This is the first sub question. Parallel sides means upper part and lower part must be 9 cm and 5 cm. So to draw that, here already 7 cm and in the upper part also 7 cm because it is a rectangle, and area must be same also. Okay, so here to get 9 cm, already 7 here, to take it as 9, what we need to add here, 2 more centimeter we need to add. So one towards this side and one towards this side you have to add. Using scale, exchange 1 centimeter towards right and 1 centimeter towards left. Like this you will get. Let's mark the points as A and B. Okay, so total it will be what? A to B, it is 9 centimeter. Okay, already 7 here, 1 here, 1 here. So total 9 centimeter. Now in the upper part, 7 is in the upper part. We need only 5 centimeter. Okay, we need only 5 centimeter. That means from both the end we have to cut 1 centimeter. Okay, no need to extend, we have to cut because only we need 5 centimeter. We don't want 7 centimeter. So from here 1 centimeter and from here also 1 centimeter and put the point. You can mark the points like this and put the points as C and D. Okay, so here CD will be 5 centimeter because total 7, 7 minus 1 6, 6 minus 1 here, total 5. Now to get the trapezium, just join A to D and C to B like this. So this is the trapezium. Okay, A, B, C, D. Here what is the base side? It is 9, upper side 5 centimeter, and height is the same 4 centimeter because we didn't change the height of the trapezium. Now what will be area of this rectangle? 7 fours are 28 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. The same area we must get this for trapezium. So let's check. Equation is what? Half h into a plus b. This is the equation. So here half. H is what? Height. Height is the same 4. So into 4. A plus b. A means base side, that is 9. Upper side is 5. So 9 plus 5, 14. Okay. Now here 4 and 2 we can cancel, that is 2. So 14 into 2 is 28 centimeter square. The same area we will get for this trapezium also because height is same. That's why. Okay. So this is first sub question answer. Now let's do second sub question. For the second sub question also, first we need a rectangle with length as 7 centimeter and breadth as 4 centimeter, and we have to draw a trapezium with the non-parallel sides as 5 centimeter. That means isosceles trapezium we have to draw here with the non-parallel sides as 5 centimeter. So for that, first draw rectangle. Then using scale or using compass, draw 5 centimeter from this point. Okay, let's mark this point as A, and from this point measure 5 centimeter. Okay, measure 5 centimeter here. It is better to use with compass. Okay, measure 5 centimeter in the compass, then draw an arc here. Okay, using compass, if you measure 5 centimeter and if you draw an arc, you will get a point here. Okay, this is the point with 5 centimeter. Okay, now from this point join to the point A. Okay, using scale join that point to A. So first side we got this is 5 centimeter. Now to get the next side, okay, to get the next side, here also we need 5 centimeter. Okay, in this side we need 5 centimeter. So for that, first extend the base side. Okay, just extend the base side like this, just extend. Then with the same compass measure 5 centimeter and draw an arc from this point to this line. Okay, keep the pinpoint here and draw an arc here. Then you will get a point here. Okay, let's mark this point as B. So from this point join to the point B. Okay, towards down and towards up you have to draw 5 centimeter. Okay, now let's join this side. Now AB, this is the C point and this is D point. So this is the trapezium with the non-parallel sides 5 centimeter and area is the same 28 centimeter, because when you check this rhombus you can see that from this point to this point it will be 3 centimeter. When you check it will be clear, and from D to C it will be 4 centimeter. Okay, after drawing this just check the measurement. So base is what? A to B total 10 centimeter and upper part is 4 centimeter. Height is the same 4. So half into h into A plus B means half into h is 4. Height is 4 same. Now A plus B is, A is 7 plus 3 10 centimeter, B is 4. So total is 14. Then here same like the previous case, 2 into 14, 28 centimeter square we will get. So this is the figure. No need to prove like this, just to draw, that is enough. Okay, so this is the second sub question answer. Now let's do question number 2. Second question, calculate area of the isosceles trapezium drawn below. This question, one figure of isosceles trapezium is given. We have to find area of this trapezium. So from the figure what we can write? 7 and 3. One we can consider as A and second we can consider as B. Okay, because parallel sides. This is one parallel side, this is second parallel side. So from this figure, A equal to 7 centimeter and B equal to 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter is distance between these two parallel sides, that is h equal to 4 centimeter. We want to find the area. Okay, area of this trapezium. What is the equation area of trapezium? Half h into a plus b. By heart all the equation you will use this in higher classes. Okay, so half h into a plus b. Now half into h is what? Height, that is 4. 4 into a means 7 plus b means 3. Now 2 and 4 we can cancel. So here remaining is 2 into 7 plus 3 is 10. So answer become what? 10 into 2, that is 20 centimeter square. 20 centimeter square is the area of this trapezium. Okay, this is second question answer. Now let's do third question. Next question number 3. The parallel sides of an isosceles trapezium are 8 cm and 4 cm long, and the non-parallel sides are 5 cm long. What is its area? Here in the third question, figure is not given. We have to draw a rough figure. So in the question it is given that for an isosceles trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium. So first just draw a rough figure of isosceles trapezium and parallel sides. Okay, parallel sides measurements are given as 8 cm and 4 cm. Okay, parallel sides means upper and lower part, 8 and 4. Next is given that non-parallel sides are 5 cm. This is also given. Okay, 5 cm is a non-parallel sides. What is the question? What is area of this trapezium? That is the question. So from this figure we can write A equal to 8 cm. Then B equal to 4 cm. In order to find the area we need H also. Then only we can find area. But H is not given. H means distance between what? These two parallel sides. Okay, so this measurement we have to find here. So here also we can draw one distance. Both will be same. Now to find this we need to consider a right triangle, and by considering Pythagoras theorem we can find the answer. Now here this will be a right triangle. Okay, we can mark the points as A, B, C, D. Consider this point as E. Okay, now here DC is 4 cm. So this measurement will also be 4 cm. Okay, now from here to here equal measurement, here to here also equal measurement. Total is 8 here. So what will be these two measurement? In between 4 cm. So remaining is 4 cm. That means here to here and here to here sum of these two measurement will be 4. That means this is 2 and this is also 2. Okay, this is 2 cm and this is also 2 cm. Now we have a right triangle. Right triangle CBE or EBC, whatever. So this is a 90-degree triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can apply Pythagoras theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So here which measurement we need to find? CE we need to find, that is altitude portion. Okay, EB is base and BC is hypotenuse. 90-degree opposite is hypotenuse. So CE we need to find. CE means altitude portion. Okay, CE equal to altitude. Altitude equation is root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So here what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. So 5 square minus base is 2. That is 5 square is 25 minus 2 square is 4. So answer becomes root 21 centimeter. Root 21 is not possible to find. So we can write root 21 as root 21 itself. Okay, so root 21 is the height. So instead of h, here we can write root 21 centimeter. Now we got all the measurement. So let's find area. What is the equation area? Half h into a plus b. This is the equation to find area of trapezium. So half into h means root 21 into a plus b. A means 8 plus b means 4. That is equal to root 21 by 2. 1 into root 21 is root 21. So root 21 by 2 into 8 plus 4, 12. Now in the next step, 12 and 2 we can cancel. In 2 only 1 2, in 12 6 2s are there. So 6 into root 21 means 6 root 21 centimeter square. This will be the area of this particular trapezium. Okay, sometimes all the measurement will give directly. Sometimes we have to find the height or any of the measurement by considering Pythagoras theorem or by any other method. Okay, so this is third one answer. So this section also over. Now next subheading is trapezium. By using the same equation we can solve that problem. Okay, so we can directly go to the problems from the second section, that is trapezium section. Take the activity. First question. Here is your first question.
First question is, the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium are 30 cm, 10 cm and the distance between them is 20 cm. What is its area?
First question is a direct question. What is given? Parallel sides measurements are given. So parallel sides means A and B are the parallel sides. So first parallel side is 30 centimeter and second parallel side is 10 centimeter. Okay, A and B. And distance between these two parallel sides, that means height is given as 20 centimeter. All these measurements given. Question is, what is area of trapezium? What is area of trapezium is the question. What is the equation? I told you for trapezium and for isosceles trapezium equation is same, that is half h into a plus b is the equation. Direct question. Just by applying the value we will get the answer. So here h is 20, a is 30 plus b is 10. Now here 2 and 20 we can cancel. In 2 only 1 2, in 20 10 2s are there. So 10 into 30 plus 10, 40. So 10 into 40 is 400 centimeter square. This is the area of this particular trapezium. No more calculation to do. Just by applying the values we will get the answer. Okay, this is first one. Now let's do second question.
Second question is, compute the area of the trapezium shown below.
In the second question also, compute area of the given trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium. We have to find area. So from the figure, parallel sides measurements already given. AB 12 cm and DC 4 cm. That means A equal to 12 cm and B equal to 4 centimeter. These two measurement given, but height is not given. Height means this dA is not given. So how can we find this dA? Yes, by considering Pythagoras theorem. Okay, a right triangle is here, that is DAB is a right triangle. So we can consider triangle DAB. So DA we need to find, that is DA equal to altitude, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So altitude equation we have to apply by Pythagoras theorem. Altitude equation is hypotenuse square minus base square. So what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is 13. So 13 square minus base is 12. So 12 square. What is 13 square? 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. Now by subtracting this you will get the answer root 25. Value of root 25 is 5 5s are 25. So root 25 is 5 centimeter. That means height is 5 centimeter. dA is 5 centimeter. Now to find area, what is the equation? Half h into a plus b. Okay, all the measurement we got just by applying the value. So half into h is 5, a is 12 plus b is 4. So answer becomes 5 by 2. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 by 2 into 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So in 2 only 1 2, in 16 8 2s are there. Now 8 5. 8 5s are 4. 8 5s are 40 centimeter square. Okay, 40 centimeter square is the area of this particular trapezium. Okay, directly we can consider the right triangle here. Just find hypotenuse, then apply the equation to find area of trapezium. Okay, so this is second question answer. Next is question number 3.
Third question is, compute the area of the hexagon below.
In this question, one figure is given, that is a hexagon figure. Okay, hexagon is given. We have to find area of hexagon, but we don't know the equation to find area of hexagon, and all the measurement also we don't know. Here these two sides given as 7 centimeter and these two sides given as 15, and this total height is given as 24. And when you check the triangle, this DCB and triangle EFA, these two are isosceles triangle because 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So these two are isosceles triangle. Okay, so isosceles triangle, two isosceles triangles are there. Now by adding area of these two isosceles triangle, we will get these two portion. Now the center portion is a rectangle with this length as 24 and breadth as 7. So by using equation to find area of rectangle, we will get this portion also. Now by adding all these three, we will get area. One more method is there. This hexagon we can divide into two isosceles rhombuses. Okay, that method also possible. So to find area of this triangle, we need height. Equation is what? Half base is the equation. So here base we know that is 24, and isosceles means the perpendicular line will divide the base into equal halves. Okay, that means a right triangle we will get here, and this total 24 will divide into 12 and 12. Okay, total will be 12 and 12. Now we need to find this portion. Okay, this portion we need to find. Let's mark the point as E. Sorry, E already there, so let's consider it as G. Okay, consider this point as G. Now to find this portion, consider triangle DCG. It's a 90-degree triangle. Here base we need to find. Okay, GC we need to find, that is base equation. Equation to find base is what? Hypotenuse square minus altitude square. So here hypotenuse measurement is what? 15 is the hypotenuse. So 15 square minus altitude is this one, that is 12. 12 square. So that is equal to 15 square is 225 minus 12 square is 144. So remaining answer will be root 81. Root 81 answer is 9 centimeter. That means this GC is 9 centimeter. This measurement GH, this will also be 9 centimeter. Okay, so either you can find area of trapezium, and by into 2 we will get total area. That means when you complete this line like this, you can see that here one isosceles trapezium, here also one isosceles trapezium. So either use equation of isosceles trapezium, or you can find area of triangle first, then 2 area of triangle, then plus area of rectangle. So in the note I have explained by using triangle and rectangle. Here I am explaining with the trapezium. Any of the method you can choose. Okay, so here area of trapezium equation is what? Half h into a plus b. This is the equation. So here h means what? This height is h. Here height becomes what? 12 will be the height. Okay, because from here to here height is 12. So h equal to 12. And what will be a? A equal to, here 9, here also 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. Now in between what? 1 7 is there. Okay, here 7 means from h to g will also be 7. Okay, so 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So a equal to 25. Now b equal to what? B equal to upper part, that is 7. For the lower trapezium also the measurement is the same. H is 12, A is 25, B is 7. So area becomes half into H is what? 12, A equal to 25 plus B equal to 7. That is 2 and 12 we can cancel, that is 6. 6 into 25 plus 7, that is 32. Now 6 into 32 will be the answer for the first trapezium area. Here when you multiply this, you will get the answer 192 centimeter square. This is for one trapezium. Okay, so one trapezium area is 192. Here we have two trapezia. So area of hexagon, area of hexagon will be equal to what? 2 into 192. Okay, 2 into 192 will be area of hexagon, and the answer is 384 centimeter square. Okay, 384 centimeter square will be area of this hexagon. Or you can find area of this triangle, then area of this triangle, area of rectangle. Sum of these three figures will be the complete area. Any of the method you can choose. Okay, similarly try to do the fourth question as homework. Now let's move on to last section of this chapter. Our last subheading is quadrilateral. Okay, simply a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means already we learn about rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, isosceles trapezium. All we learn. That means with some special features. But other than quadrilaterals also there. Quadrilateral means simply a four-sided figure. It can be any shape. Okay. For example, this shape. It is not a parallelogram because opposite sides are not parallel or not equal. Not rhombus because all the sides are different. It is not a rectangle. Okay, it is not a trapezium. It is another shape, different shape, simply a quadrilateral. So, if we have a figure like this, how we will find area of this figure? That is we are going to learn in this section. So, here, suppose if we know one diagonal. Okay, for all the quadrilateral we can draw one diagonal. Diagonal means line of joining opposite vertices. Okay, so here this is the diagonal, and from this diagonal to the opposite vertex we can draw a perpendicular 90-degree line. Okay, similarly from here also we can draw one perpendicular line. So this one we can consider as h1 and this one we can consider as h2. So here equation to find area of a simple quadrilateral is half d, diagonal, d means diagonal, half d into h1 plus h2. This is the equation to find area of a simple quadrilateral. That means diagonal h1 and h2 are distance from opposite, perpendicular distance from opposite vertex to this diagonal. Okay, two opposite vertices are there for this diagonal. So towards these two opposite vertices we can draw perpendicular 90-degree line. So that is h1 and h2. So half d h1 plus h2 is the equation to find area of quadrilateral. Now let's do first question from that activity, from last activity. First question. Here is your question.
First question is, what is the area of the quadrilateral shown below?
The first question, one figure is given. We have to find area of this quadrilateral. So from the figure we can identify that this 8 centimeter is a diagonal. So D equal to 8 centimeter. Now H1 we can consider as towards up. One perpendicular height is there with a 4 centimeter. So H1 equal to 4 centimeter. Next towards down also. That means to the next opposite vertex one height is there, that is 6 centimeter. So H2 equal to 6 centimeter. Now area. Area of quadrilateral equation is half into D into H1 plus H2. Okay, by heart all the equation. So half into D is what? 8. H1 is 4 plus H2 is 6. That is 2 and 8 we can cancel. Into only 1 2, in 8 4 2s are there. So 4 into 6 plus 4 is 10. So answer becomes 40 centimeter square. This is the area of the given quadrilateral. Okay, so this is first question answer. Now let's do third question. Here is your question.
Third question is, compute the area of the quadrilateral shown below.
In this question, one quadrilateral is given with these two sides as 26 centimeter and one side 12 and here 16, and this angle is 90 degree. We have to find area of this quadrilateral. So here diagonal is not given and to the opposite vertices height also not given. So first of all let's split this quadrilateral into two triangles. Okay, first consider the points as A, B, C and D. This is the quadrilateral. So here ABC is the first triangle and ADC is the second triangle. If we know area of these two triangles, by adding these two area we will get area of quadrilateral. Okay, so first of all let's consider triangle A, B, C. It's a right triangle. Okay, it's a right triangle. What is the equation? Area triangle ABC area equation is what? Area of triangle ABC equation is half BH. Now for a right triangle, for a 90-degree triangle, altitude and this height is same. Okay, because 90-degree triangle means it is like this. Okay, if we consider this as base, this will be height. So here in this question, AB is what? Altitude, and BC is 12 centimeter base. So half into base is 12 into height is 16. Okay, now let's simplify. Here 2 and 16 we can cancel. Okay, now 12 into 8. 12 into 8 means 96 centimeter square. This is area of this particular triangle. Now let's find area of this triangle. But to find area of this triangle, this measurement we don't know. That means base we don't know, height also we don't know. So first let's find base, that is AC. So to find AC by Pythagoras Theorem, what is this side? 90-degree opposite side, that is hypotenuse. Equation to find hypotenuse is base square plus altitude square. So base is 12. 12 square plus 16 square, that is 144 plus 256. That answer is root of 400. Root 400 is 20 into 20 is 400. So 20 centimeter will be AC. Okay, the total measurement is 20 centimeter. And we know that for an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular distance will divide the base into equal half. That means here it will be 10, here it will be 10, and this will be 90-degree angle. Okay, like this. So to find this height, that means let's mark this point as E. Again we can consider one right triangle DEC. Okay, DEC we can consider triangle DEC. Now in this triangle DEC, base we don't know, altitude we have, and hypotenuse also we have. Now to find DE we need to find, then only we can find area of that triangle. So DE equal to base equation. Either you can consider this as base or you can consider that as altitude. If we are considering it as base, equation is hypotenuse square minus altitude square. So hypotenuse is 26. So 26 square minus altitude is 10 square. That is 676 minus 100. That is root 576. That means 24 centimeter. That means this measurement is 24 centimeter. Now for the triangle DCA, for this isosceles triangle, base is 20 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. So let's find area of triangle ADC, that is half into B into H. Half into base is what? Base is 20, height is 24. Okay, so 2 and 20 cancel, that is 10. 10 into 24 is 240 centimeter square. So this triangle area is 96 centimeter square, then isosceles triangle area is 240 centimeter square. By adding these two answers, we will get area of complete quadrilateral. Okay, 240 plus 96 is the answer for area of quadrilateral ABCD. Just add this, then write the answer of area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so this is third question answer. Next is question number 4.
Fourth question is compute the area of the parallelogram shown below.
In this question, the given figure is a parallelogram. Okay, the question is compute area of parallelogram. So parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. And for all the parallelogram can be divided into two equal triangles. That means A, B, C, D. Okay, this parallelogram can be divided into first triangle ADC and second triangle ABC. These two triangles will have same area. So for base and height is there, so we can find area of triangle ADC. Equation is what? Half into B into H. So here base is what? Base is given 24. So half into 24 into height is given as 8. Okay. Now here we can cancel 2 and 24. Into only 1 2, in 24 12 2s are there. Now 12 into 8 is 96 centimeter square. Now area of parallelogram ABCD. Area of parallelogram ABCD means if this area is area 96, then this side will also be 96. So area becomes 96 plus 96, that is 192 centimeter square. This is first method. Now second method is, I told you this parallelogram we can divide into two triangles. That means for this triangle also height becomes what? Same, 8 centimeter. Okay, so AC is a diagonal, and this one we can consider as H1 and this we can consider as H2. So in a single step we can find the area. Equation is what? Area of quadrilateral equation is half into D into H1 plus H2. This equation also we can apply, that is half into diagonal means 24 into H1 is 8 and H2 is also 8, that is 8 plus 8. So here 2 and 24 is 12, that is equal to 12 into 8 plus 8, 16. Now 12 into 16 also same answer, 192 centimeter square. Any of these two methods we can apply, both are correct. Okay, so this is fourth one answer. Up to this is enough from this chapter. Okay, so area of quadrilaterals chapter also over. Hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the next chapter.